Hey guys, what's up everybody? Rizwan Parmar here and today I am back with another fluid art video. Today I am doing puddle pouring, same as my previous puddle pour video but with a small twist. Before going ahead, I would love to shout out our community. Massive congratulations to the comments and Instagram profile of the week. Thanks for supporting this channel. Now, if you are interested to be featured too, screenshot this video and share it to your Instagram stories. Don't forget to tag me, or you can leave a comment below down in this today's video. Anyways guys, let's get back right into the video. So there is a small twist in this piece than my previous puddle pour. You can check out that video too, link in the description. So the twist is, in this painting, the color recipe is different than my previous puddle pour painting. Well, hoping for some great results. Yes, of course, the color also is different, but the recipe, the mixture of some ingredients is different than my previous puddle pour painting. Recipe down below in description. The purpose of doing this painting is to create half part of canvas fluid art and the other half part Urdu calligraphy. In this video, I will be sharing only fluid art part and I will share final look of this painting with Urdu calligraphy on Instagram. So you know what to do to see the final look of the painting. My Instagram link again in the description. Now, let's enjoy the rest of the video. Okay, this turned out so pretty. Much better than expected. There's just something dreamy about this piece. The more I look at this painting, the more I fall in love with it. And the more I do this technique, the more I love this technique. Outcome always amazes me. That's amazing. Comment below how is it? And any suggestions for my next video. Best comments will get a shout out in my next video. Like this video if you like it. Subscribe if you aren't already. And I will see you in the next video.